All right, so we have 1, 3, distance, and midpoints. Here's the two things we're supposed to learn. Find the distance between 2 points and find the midpoint of a segment. Vocab again, over here on the right. Distance is just a length between the two. Now, it's really important here. There's some small things that, remember we talked about a line. A line has the 2 arrows over it. I didn't take any points off from a quiz, but it should have 2 arrows, 2 capital letters. Could go either way. PQ, QP, the same. If we're talking about a segment, we're actually talking about this blue line here, then we put the line over it. However, when we talk about the distance, notice down here, there is no line over it. So now we're talking about distance. Cadence, I'm not sure what's that means, but okay, so line, 2 capital letters or lowercase script, but 2 capital letters with the arrow. Line segment, just a line over it, no arrows. And then now we're talking distance. So 3 different things. It's super easy. I don't know if you guys remember what these straight lines mean, but that means absolute value. That means make it positive. If it's positive, leave it alone. If it's negative, make it positive. Cadence or Carly said, if you want a calculator, I can get one at the school available for you. But for the most part, your phone or any calculator will work. If you want to go buy an ABC calculator, that's the generic name. It's actually a scientific calculator. If you have trouble with fractions, I already have 2 people signed up for fraction help. If you need fraction help, let me know. You can YouTube it, or we can just have a meet. But I know a lot of you struggle with fractions. So we subtract them, take the absolute value. So put EX1, put a box around it. Write in your notes, EX1, put a box around it. Again, Carly, we really don't need a graphing calculator. It's almost too advanced. But the geometry here is really easy. The BE. Okay, important part here. The minus comes from the formula. I don't know if you guys still have to do this or not, but if you have to do that, they're the same sign, so we're going to get a -8. Absolute value says just make it positive. The lines are from the formula. Thank you. Guys, and the more you guys talk, the better it helps me out. The lines are absolute value, and that means make it positive. And we're always going to make it positive because distance, like if you walk behind you, you still move 5 feet. But we're going from B to E here. And I apologize, this is going to be terrible, but I'm going to try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can actually just count. It's that easy. If they give you a number line, you can just count it. Other than that, that's it. I mean, there's the formula up here that you can use, but you can also do it the other way. So what if I wanted to go from E to B? It should be the same. Okay, so awesome question. Awesome. Dude, this is what I miss about class. Um, why did it go from -8 to +8? Because these two things are called absolute value. And they mean always make it positive. So I have a straight line here and a straight line here. Distance is always going to be positive. So that's why it now is positive. And remember, we're just talking the distance between two things. Are we 5 feet apart? Are we 10 feet apart? How far are we away from each other? How far is B to E?